In this video, I'm going to show you a quick hack to find studs without stud finder. So let's get to the work. Welcome to our channel, Citrus Home and Garden. So I'm going to use this magnetic car phone holder, but you can use any magnet. Normally you can get it in big box store for a couple of dollars. Before starting the work, let's understand some fundamentals. In this image, you can see blue drywall, wooden color studs and black nails. Normally these nails are properly centered on the studs, and they are going to be the keys of the stud finding process. Next, we are going to take this magnet and start sliding against the wall. You can start from anywhere on the wall, but I would recommend to start around the electrical outlet. The reason being, the electrical outlets are normally mounted on the stud. It will be easy to find your first stud as a reference to find rest of the studs. Now here you can notice on the right side of this electrical outlet, the magnet is sticking onto the wall. That means there is a nail behind and you found your first stud. Mark this point with a painter's tape. You can slide this magnet upwards or downwards to find rest of the points onto the same stud. Now just to prove this method, I'm going to use this regular stud finder to make sure that we actually found the stud with the magnet. And there you go. Similarly, you can start sliding this magnet horizontally to find parallel studs. Now you can use tape measure to find the distance between these two studs and start marking your rest of the studs. Here you can say it's 16 inches. And that's pretty much it. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.